premises in the sense that from the time the lease was signed and the premises taken, no one had occupied those premises. People are just moving in now. 7 crores, wherein JSIDC themselves have spent around 2 crores 9 lakhs for keeping files. I asked the question to the people of Goa, who do you think is responsible? Why do you call this man a clean man? I'm talking about Manohar Parrikar. Tomorrow is his 60th birthday. I wish he gets some sort of, he starts answering his conscience and understand what a route he's carried out as far as the Chief Minister is concerned. His whole reasoning for getting the Defence Expo to Goa also will be on the same premise, because all the companies from around the world will come to Goa and he and his cronies will be able to negotiate deals in his backyard. So you must have observed that the whole issue surrounding spaces was basically a well-conceived family orchestra produced and directed by Manohar Parrikar and his cronies. But then every crime leaves a trail, and in this case the trail has been well uncovered by us with documentary evidence. Now the future plan of action. IRIS basically is already gone to court. We are also contemplating intervening and putting these additional documents. We will also be approaching the courts to basically register a case against Siddharth Kunkalekar under Prevention of Corruption Act, including Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Now he becomes Raksha Mantri and is a bit far-fetched. So we will basically be targeting Siddharth Kunkalekar initially.